Remove the UAV and remote control. Deploy the UAV arm. Insert the UAV battery. Open the remote control battery compartment. Put in 3 AA batteries. Turn on the UAV switch and place it on the horizontal ground. Move the handle to the lower left and then to the lower right. Outer 8 direction toggle handle. 1 key takeoff. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Rise. Decline. Forward. Backward. Left side fly. Right side fly. Left rotation. Right rotation. Camera down. Camera up. 360 flip. Obstacle avoidance mode switch. Fast and slow gear switching. Second gear. Third gear. Replace the blades of UAV. Pay attention to distinguish blades A and B. Remove the screws. Pull out the fan blade and replace it. Tighten the screws. Installation of UAV protective frame. Align the bayonet for installation. Scan QR code to download app. Turn on the drone, mobile phone connection Wi-Fi. You can start the flight. Connect the power supply to charge the UAV battery. When the red light goes out, the battery is fully charged.